Maths channel. My name is JANIS. When I look at this particular question, this circuit theory, they said if UV is the diameter, calculate the what? Angle RSV. So calculate angle RSV. Now let's look at this diagram properly. And from looking at this diagram, you observe that we have RST as a tangent. A tangent is a line that touches what? Any part of a circumference of a circle is called the tangent. So don't mind my circle, this is a freehand drawing. So now I have what this as the tangent. This is the tangent. Why? Because it touches what? A part of the what? Circumference of the circle. So this is the circle. So this part is what? Is the what? Circumference. So this line is what? The tangent. So the angle S is a tangent. Now looking at it very well, that's another thing. And another one, we want to look at this circle very well. We observe that we have what? A diameter from this circle. Let me draw it here. We have this. This is the question. I have this as a tangent, a straight line. Good. Now I also have what? This, my circle. Alright, this is a freehand drawing, so don't mind my circle. So now they'll say what? UV is the diameter. So diameter is the line that divides the circle into two equal parts. That means I have this line dividing this circle into two equal parts. So which is what? UV. Alright. So now remember we have a RST as the tangent. Now we have what? A triangle in it. Good. Now remember they say this side is the center, which is what they represented as O. And they gave us this part as what? 50 degrees. Good. Now they say we should find what? RSV. That means we are looking for this particular angle. This is what we are looking for. That's what the question said. Now we're going to be applying what? Two theorem from this particular circle theorem. We're going to be applying two theorems, laws there. So we have what? The first one we're going to look at is what? Now if you look at this circle very well, from this circle you can observe that this circle has what? A minor segment and a major segment. Remember the chord here. A chord is any line that divides the circle but not what? Equally. It divides the circle what? Into two but they are not equal. While diameter divides it what? Equal parts. Okay. Now, let me bring back this circle here very well. I want to do it very fast and easy. So we'll have this circle. Alright. So you can agree with me that this is a what? This is the chord. The chord what? The minor segment and the major segment. The minor segment and the major segment. Now, by looking at this minor segment and major segment, you agree that the minor one is the smaller one, while the major one is the bigger one. And one of the laws says that the angle that is formed from the minor segment is the same, is equal to what? Any angle formed in the what? Major segment. So we have this our minor segment. So any angle that is formed from this minor segment is the same thing as this angle formed from the what? The major segment. Remember, this part is the major segment, while this side is the minor segment. So any angle that is formed here is the same thing as any angle formed inside what? The major segment. That means this angle is the same thing as this particular angle. This is the major segment, while this particular one is the minor segment of the chord. So one of the rules of what? Theorem says what? Angle formed in the what? The minor segment is the same, is equal to what? Angle formed in the what? In the major segment of a triangle in a particular what? Circle. Alright, so that's one of the rules. So that means I'm looking for this part. So if I would get this part U, let me name here a smaller U. Okay, let me name it a U. Good. If I'm naming here a U, so anything I get here is the same thing as what I get here. So you can observe that I've successfully gotten a what? A triangle in it. Let me bring my triangle. So I've gotten my triangle. This part is already given to me as 50 degrees. So this part is unknown, U. That means if I'm able to get this part, I'm also able to get whatever is here. Whatever is this part, I'm able to get whatever is here. I'm able to get some random on my freehand drawing. So if I'm able to get this part U, that means I'm able to get this part U. In what? A particular what? Circle. In a particular what? Circle. Alright, in a particular what? Circle. So if I'm getting here, here is U. So here can also be what? U. Anything I get here is same thing as here. That's one of the laws of what? Circle theorem. So now, for me to be able to solve this part, another rule, remember I said two rules. The first one I'm going to look at what? When angle formed in a minor segment is equal to what? Or the same as angle formed in a major segment of a circle. Any triangle in a what? In a circle. So good. Now how do I get this part? Because I'm left with this part so that I can use what? Sum of angle in a triangle. So how do I get this part? So getting this part, another one say what? When a line that what it touches the circle, a line that touches what the circumference of the circle is called the tangent. So this line is called the tangent. So this particular angle here is 90 degree. Why? Because any line that passes what or touches the circumference of a circle, the angle formed is what equal to what 90 degrees. So that this part is equal to what 90 degree. This part is equal to 90 degree. Why is it 90 degree? Any line that touches the circumference of a circle, which is called the tangent, the angle formed in any triangle is 90 degrees. So that means this part is 90 degree. So I'm able to get this part as my what? 90 degree. I'm able to get this part as my 90 degree. That means I can decide to say what? RST is equal to what? 90 degree. What's my reason? What? Angle formed in a what? Tangent of a triangle in a circle. So this is my rule for using this part as what? 90. So this part is 90. Why? Because angle formed in a tangent of a what? Triangle in a circle. So the angle formed of this tangent in a triangle of a circle, this part is 90 degree. So that's why I've gotten this part as what? As 90 degree. So that means from this triangle, I have my normal triangle now. So this part is 50 degree. This part is 90 degree. So I'm automatically looking for u. So what do I get u? So I can say what? 50 plus 90 equal to what? 180 degree. What's my rule here? Sum of angle in A. Okay, 50 plus 90, sorry. 50 plus 90 plus u equal to 180 degree. So what's my rule here? Sum of angle in a triangle. So sum of angle in a triangle. So from this part, I have it as what? This is 140 plus u equal to what? 180 degree. So that means my u here is equal to what? 180 minus 140. So my u is equal to what? 40 degree. So I'm going to get my u as 40 degree. Now remember I said any angle formed this part is the same thing as angle what? From angle here. Why? Because they said what? The angle formed in a what? In a minor segment is equal to what? Angle formed in a major segment of a circle. Of a what? A circle. So that means this part is what? 40 degree. This part is what? 40 degree. So therefore my RST is equal to what? 40 degree. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more. See you in the next class. Bye.